Artificial intelligence is for real, definitely for real, and it is going to stay. I am more than sure that it is a disruptor, it is an enabler, and it is as big an event as the invent of computers, mobile phones, and even I would say the computing. But at the same time, amidst all of this euphoria around AI or the concerns, there are a lot of people who are claiming to be an expert. If you visit social media sites like LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, or similar, you will find many people claiming to be an AI guy, AI girl, or top expert in the world in the artificial intelligence. And there are hundreds of them, and the list is growing every day. So obviously, everyone wants to learn about AI. Everyone wants to remain abreast of how to know that the information which they are getting about AI is genuine and realistic. So, how can you spot a real, genuine expert in artificial intelligence? Well, I would try to tell you some of the characteristics and features which you should be aware of. So, just inverse it. The features which I'm going to tell you in this video, if you find those characteristics or features in any person, then just run away. Just avoid them like plague because they will be false experts. So let's see what not to follow in a expert. The first one is that if someone proclaims and says that they are the AI expert, then just avoid them. And you will find a lot of them in LinkedIn where even people have put um, in their taglines just below their profile, like AI guy, AI girl, AI expert. Then, if they are only posting about other people's companies and tools and software and papers, and you don't find any work of their own, then they are not the experts. Well, there is no harm in posting about these things. I do it all the time, but I'm not proclaiming to be an AI expert or anything like that. I'm just sharing the knowledge. And similarly, if someone is doing that, that is fine. But if they are posing themselves as an AI expert and all-knowing AI guru, but not posting anything of their own, then that's a problem. Then, if you find them spamming the social media sites every day with their own AI made up stuff, just copy pasting from other people, then just run away. If you see them spreading rumors, concerns, fear mongering about AI is going to do, mass extension, or you will lose your job AI if you don't follow this guy, then yes, that's another red flag. If you find lot of these emojis in their posts on social media, you know that they're not professional, that is just a crap. And if you find these people that they're just very hollow, very superficial, and they are going out there on LinkedIn or any other social media sites like Reddit and Twitter and getting into very hollow, baseless arguments with a real doctor in artificial intelligence or machine learning and trying to nitpick in their papers and stuff, then yes, they are not really real. So again, one of the common theme you would find with these people is that almost every other day, yeah, they'll be just picking up some of the prompts, some of the English sentences, and then they would say, okay, 10 best prompts to learn to become a expert or something like that. So it's simply rubbish. So these are the things, top things I would say you would need to be aware of when you see any person claiming this, and then you need to avoid these people. Thank you very much.